Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best ColourPop eyeshadow, the Super Shock Shadow in the shade Mighty Morphin. This single eyeshadow has been creating quite a buzz thanks to its unique formula and stunning finish. First off, what sets this eyeshadow apart is its revolutionary creme to powder texture. It has a bouncy, almost squishy feel that makes applying it a joy. Unlike traditional powder shadows, this formula glides on smoothly with just one swipe, delivering intense pigmentation and a glittery shimmer that really pops. The consistency allows it to cling beautifully to the eyelid without excessive fallout, making it perfect for creating show-stopping looks. The shade Mighty Morphin is a creamy icy ivory with tiny hot pink pinpoints, offering a playful twist on a classic shimmer. This color works well as a brightening highlight on the eyelids or even as an accent glitter for special occasions. Its long-lasting formula is waterproof and designed to resist creasing and fading throughout the day, so you can rely on it to keep your eyes looking fresh and vibrant. One of the best features of this Super Shock Shadow is how versatile it is in application. For maximum coverage and intensity, using your fingertip to tap the shadow directly onto the lid is recommended. If you want more precision, especially near the lash line, a flat synthetic brush works wonderfully. For a softer, diffused effect, blending with a fluffy brush in a windshield wiper motion across the crease gives you a seamless finish. ColourPop has really focused on creating a cruelty-free product that combines luxury quality with affordability. Their entire process, from formulation to manufacturing, is done in-house in California, ensuring consistent quality. The Super Shock Shadow line is well known for delivering highly pigmented, blendable, and crease-resistant shadows that rival high-end brands but at a fraction of the cost. The ingredient list includes skin-friendly components like mango seed butter and cucumber fruit extract, which help nourish the delicate eye area while providing a smooth texture. The formula also contains silicas and dimethicones that contribute to its lightweight feel and staying power. In terms of packaging, the shadow comes in a compact, travel-friendly container that holds 0.07 ounces of product. It's easy to carry around for quick touch-ups or creative layering on the go. Overall, the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Mighty Morphin offers a perfect combination of vibrant sparkle, smooth application, and lasting wear. Whether you're going for a subtle shimmer or an intense glittery eye look, this shadow can handle it all with ease. If you're looking to add a high-pigment, creamy powder glitter shadow to your makeup collection without breaking the bank, this is definitely one to try. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and deep dives into the best beauty products out there. See you next time.